I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ghost Mode on Snapchat. This handy feature acts like your personal invisibility cloak, allowing you to control your location privacy. When activated, your Bitmoji disappears from the Snap Map, making your whereabouts invisible to everyone, including your friends. It's perfect for those moments when you want to keep your location private or simply take a break from the social scene without leaving the app. Enabling Ghost Mode is quite straightforward. First, open your Snapchat application and swipe right twice from the camera screen to access the Snap Map. Next, locate and tap the gear icon in the top right corner of the map screen. This will open your map settings. Finally, find the Ghost Mode option and toggle the slider to turn it on, instantly activating your location privacy. Once Ghost Mode is enabled, a window will pop up, offering you several duration options. You can choose to activate it for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you manually turn it off. This flexibility allows you to decide how long you wish to remain off the grid. You also have more relaxed privacy settings to share your location with all friends, or with exceptions, or only with specific friends. Ghost Mode is a powerful tool for maintaining your privacy on Snapchat. It ensures that your real-time location is not visible to anyone on the Snap Map, giving you peace of mind. While in Ghost Mode, your Bitmoji will display a blue sign with a ghost icon, a visual reminder that you are in private mode. Just remember to turn it off when you are ready to share your location with friends again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.